Alright, we need to build a metal rack for all of this. I'm going to be cutting a road, which this is going to be in the way of, and I'd like to get it more organized anyway. Here she is in all her glory. Got it deployed now, so we've got metal on it. Things that happened after my GoPro died were welding the fork pockets in. I cut them as well. And I also added these little extensions for the top. The top is gonna be for all my thin stuff, but it's working pretty well. Next, I'll be building another one over here for all my small scrap that's sitting over there currently. I threw some conveyor belt underneath it so that I won't have grass growing up through it, which I'm gonna do the same over there. And then eventually, once this road is cut all the way down to that center section right there, there'll be gravel running this whole area. And I'll also have gravel coming in right here, a road base type gravel, so it's all nice and packed in here, and that thing doesn't struggle and get stuck. It's actually why there's plywood here, is because this is all so soft that I kept sinking in. I shaved. I had an incident actually. The orange from this thing got all over my beard, so I shaved it. Yeah, oh well. So, leave a like for the fallen beard, subscribe for the cool metal rack, and come back next time to see what wacky stuff I decide to record. Have a good day. Remember, don't let your meat loaf.